If you're like me and you spend most of your day working at a computer, whether that's writing, coding, editing, or just trying to stay on top of your inbox, you know how much of a difference your setup can make. And for the longest time, the weakest link in my setup has been the chair. I was dealing with discomfort, distractions, and it was largely starting to impact my workflow. That's why I was so excited when HBADA reached out, and this video is sponsored by them. HBADA isn't just another chair company. They're the world's first brand to bring genuine AI technology into ergonomic chairs. They're the minds behind the E3 Pro, one of the most iconic chairs out there, a consistent bestseller across the globe, from Germany and the US to Japan and China for 3 years running. And here's the kicker, the model I got, the E3 Pro Ergonomic Chair, is the most adjustable chair in the world with 22 different ways to customize the fit. When the box itself arrived, right, I was very happy, and the first thing I noticed was how premium everything actually felt. The packaging was clean, every part was clearly labeled, and the assembly was surprisingly intuitive. I had the whole thing put together myself in under 20 minutes. Just by being in the room, it instantly upgraded my workspace vibe, making it look sleek, modern, and purpose-built. But the real magic happened when I actually sat down. The star of the show is the AI-powered 3-zone lumbar support. It automatically adapts and contours to the curve of your back. I didn't have to fiddle with any knobs or levers. Well, it just worked, providing support exactly where I needed it. Then there are the 6D armrests. For laptop work, they're a game changer. I can slide them forward when I'm typing, swivel them inward when I'm reading, or just push them completely down and out of the way when I need to pull in closer to the desk. They move with me. Combine that with the 4D headrest that actually helps you maintain a healthy posture during long, focused sessions, and the breathable mesh material that keeps me from overheating. It's a complete package. After using it for several weeks, the improvement hasn't just been about comfort, it's been about performance. I've noticed an actual boost in my productivity where I can work for hours without that nagging strain in my lower back. I'm more focused now, less fidgety, and in the end, I just feel better. It's the kind of change that sneaks up on you. You didn't even know how much it's worth it until you end up doing it yourself. One day you realize your workflow just gets smoother and your body isn't complaining anymore. So if your work demands long hours at the desk, this chair isn't a luxury, it's an investment in your focus, health, and your output. And the best part, for Black Friday only, the HBADA E3 Pro Ergonomic Chair is at its lowest price of the entire year. Click the link down below to check out the deal, transform your workspace into a place you actually enjoy being in every single day. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.